Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu token using the Coinbase Exchange. It's actually very easy and simple to do. Before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone though that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to do more in the crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we're just going to open up our Coinbase Exchange. And then once you're on the Coinbase Exchange here, you just want to go to the little blue button right in the middle. Click on that. And then right here, you want to click on Buy Crypto with Cash. Once you do that here, you can search for the asset that you want to buy. So in our case, it's going to be Shiba. So we just go ahead and search SHIB. And then right here, we'll see the Shiba Inu token. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here right away, it's going to ask us the amount of money that we want to spend. So let's just say if I wanted to spend $100, I can go ahead and put $100. And then right here, it's going to say one-time purchase. But if you guys click on that, you could actually see it's going to ask you if you want to repeat this purchase. So you can either do daily, weekly, 1st and 15th of the month, or monthly. So totally up to you if you want to change that there. But if you just want to do a one-time purchase, you can just leave it as B. So once you do that here, you just want to make sure you have a payment method added. So as you guys can see, I already have my bank added here. So I can just go ahead and preview buy and then go through the transaction. But if you guys do not have any payment method available yet on here, you just want to go ahead and click on this little box, then add a payment method. Then here you can click on this to add a credit or debit card if you would like to, and then you can go ahead and go through the transaction. So once you have your payment method added, all you have to do now is click on preview buy, and then it will show you a broken down version of your transaction. So we just click on preview buy here. It'll show us a broken down version of our transaction here. And then if we're happy with what we see here, the fees and everything like that, we can go ahead and click on buy now in the bottom corner here. And once we do that, we can back out of here, and our Shiba Inu will appear in our wallet on our Coinbase Exchange. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.